Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Hyena Pet ability in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Safari Harvest event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have just bought the Hyena Pet from this Safari shop and it costs 100 million shekels if I'm not mistaken. Okay, you can buy the Hyena from here. And I'm going to show you what this Hyena can do. Okay, this is the Hyena Pet ability, guys. Basically, it can give XP, but it only gives XP to the Hyena Pet, and it requires another non-Hyena Pet to activate this effect. Okay, and the ability is like salmon and also the crab pad. And wait, I'm going to place it on my garden and I'm going to view it. Okay, it can give 4 XP for every hyena in your garden. And yeah, it's good, especially if you want to increase the pet age faster. You can use hyena for XP farming. Yeah, my hyena has 11 age now. And okay guys, that's all about the Hyena Pet in Grow Garden game of Roblox new Safari Harvest event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.